Yeah.
You guys might not be able to go all the way down.
So flood out.
Yeah,
Yeah.
pretty tall. We're gonna go as far as we could, I think.
Yeah. As far as you're gonna get is to that water.
Oh well.
At least I told somebody. I've been nice.
Yeah, that's nice. Don't worry about it.
I'm on. Let them find out themselves.
Yep, exactly.
Unless they figure a way to.
Yeah, that don't sound good.
Yeah.
Sound like he's skipping gears.
Nice.
Howdy.
I think this one is the 3.6 miles.
It was a little like a mile and a half we did, and guess it'll be a mile and a half by the time we get back to the car, but we're not going to do that.
No, we're gonna go doing it.
We're going to do another little side trail. Goody.
See, I'm not even sweaty yet.
See, now it takes me all day just to upload 4 gigabytes
Oh,
worth
I
of
know.
video. I mean,
Oh, I know.
and these videos are like 12 to 20 gigabytes long.
And then when I go to bed, it's still downloading.
So, kill the battery of my phone.
Yeah.
Yep.
I don't know. That mother and her 2 daughters got to it somehow.
They probably got lost in the water back there. They're probably just stranded on a little deserted island in the middle of all that garbage.
Yeah.
Having to survive off of coconuts and crab. So now we're coming back up to the left trail or the right trail. Gotta pick one. Want to take a breather?
No, I'm fine.
Okay. Want to go left or right?
It's up to you.
Guess we'll go to the right here. I don't know. Might go left. Fuck it.
That dog sounded like me last weekend.
Yeah, I chose this way because it seems to be a little bit more shaded.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think this way is kind of loops around back up top where we started, but on the other side.
Towards the parking lot?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Oh, they walk fast.
Mm-hmm. If I did that, this video would be unwatchable.
Oh,
It'd be like watching a Blair Witch Project.
I'm doing pretty good today.
Like I said, it's not really shaking all that much in the screen here. I'm watching it. But when it gets uploaded to YouTube, it's like they try to add their own image stabilization to it, and it just doesn't look good.
I'm doing pretty good.
Mm-hmm. This is about how that Pumpkin Pie Hill Preserve is.
Yeah.
What's it called again? Pumpkin Spice? Pumpkin
Hill.
Pumpkin Hill, that's it. One that's never open. This soft sandy soil wouldn't exactly be good for bike riding through either. Them little vehicle tracks down that way. Howdy.
Morning. Hey, dog.
You gotta look into the blinding sun to see me.
I know, that's why I kept on going.
Well, I love it. It's ideal for running 3 filters at one time.
Well, there's 3 filters?
Yep.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Aerochrome, well, the simulated Aerochrome consists of 2 filters, and then I run an orange filter on top of that to make the green sky a little bit more pronounced. I go in here and play with the coloring and make the shrubbery all green and everything, but
Yeah.
that's just too wild. And this video is already going to look like a bad trip.
Oh, you serious?
Yeah, you know, I like to
Oh.
see stuff that's not...
I hope it is not a dead end.
Oh no, I think we're on the White Blaze Trail, the 6-mile trail. I saw a white marking on a tree back there. I just got my mouth shut. But that's the problem. We're already like halfway through it.
You should just been quiet about it.
Yeah. Like I said, we're halfway through it, so what difference does it make? And you're doing better this weekend, so.
Because I've been drinking plenty of water at the house, at the trailer.
Yeah, you don't want to be having gallstones or whatever they call them,
Kidney stones.
and those two problems with your kidneys. Drinking tea and Coke all the time.
Oh, my second oldest son had kidney stone twice, and he said it's painful
Oh yeah.
for guys.
Because you have to pass them.
Ugh.
Trust me, I passed plenty of them. I used to get them all the time when I was smoking. Me and smoking didn't exactly get along good. But I did.
And my son had to miss 4 days of work because he was in a lot of pain.
I didn't miss no work. I just went to the bathroom at work and passed them. Looks like I might have enough battery to make it through this trail.
Oh, God.
I didn't charge any of the Camcore batteries. I kind of forgot yesterday.
Oh, man.
And this one was 3/4 of the way full. So I think this battery will make it. And like I said, more than likely we're over halfway through this Grease Lightning Trail.
If this is, if this is the 6 mile, that's me. I did 6 miles.
No,
Almost.
I think we just cut into it. We didn't take the actual. I think there's a cross point where some of these trails kind of cross each other.
Or I'll do 3 miles because we walked towards that.
Yeah.
More miles than we did last weekend.
Don't think so.
Or Carolina.
No.
I don't know. I'm feeling better today.
I noticed. The old gravy pump in your chest must be working right.
Yeah.
That's kind of pretty. Go ahead, bye, or something.
Well, that's pretty.
Scenery. Looks pine tree-ish. This trail versus the other trails that are over there. This one doesn't have a lot of oak trees covered in moss. Seems to be predominantly pine tree.
That tree's about to fall.
Yeah, he's leaning toward a rising sun. I guess that's his tactic to keep warm in the wintertime.
Yeah.
Trees are weird. But yeah, it looks like it might have been a nearby lightning
I
strike.
gotta get over.
So, maybe that's why it's kind of leaning. Might need a little support there. Well, I don't think I got a loud screaming bird in the background in this video.
Or somebody whistling.
Yeah, a little stalker needs to watch it. Florida's known as the gunshine state,
Yeah.
especially since it's been constitutional carry for more than a year now. Didn't matter beforehand because everyone had their concealed carry permit anyway, so These people get weird ideas in their heads. It's starting to slowly loop back around, I can tell. Goes to the front, I mean, direction is to the right, and we're heading toward the right slowly but surely. A little opposite of NASCAR. NASCAR, you're constantly heading to the left, we're heading toward the right. Looks like a trail split up here. To the left looks like a blue trail, and to the right looks like the rest of the white trail. I don't know. One of these days I'll discover that I have a stereo shotgun microphone in my camera bag and use it instead of surround sound microphone all the time.
Yeah.